Happy Sunday evening to you. I'm meteorologist Leah Pizzetti here in the Weather Center, and we have a lot going on in our forecast, so I wanted to take the time to dive a little bit deeper into the nuances of exactly what's going on here in Western Washington in the next couple of days. So let's get straight to it. Tomorrow, Monday, is going to be a first alert weather day, and that does continue into Tuesday morning because we have a winter storm heading our way. The impacts are starting to be felt already as of this Sunday evening, and then we're going to continue to feel those impacts Monday and into Tuesday as well. For the first half of the week, the focus is going to be on heavy mountain snow and lowland showers and gusty winds. We have focus on the Cascades above 2,000 feet for these first couple of days. Then the second half of the week is going to transition to extremely cold conditions that will be widespread. Live look at Everett as of this Sunday evening, just before 9 p.m. and we can see raindrops on the camera. That rain is starting to pick up. It was light rain through the day, but starting to push more moisture into Western Washington as of this evening, and that is going to continue into the next couple of days. Right now, SeaTac is sitting at 46 degrees. Temperatures actually pretty mild. We're not going to see much cooling into tonight. Temperatures staying on the relatively warmer side for the first half of the week, and they're going to take a dive into the second half of the upcoming week. Satellite and radar showing that light rain moving through Western Washington as of Sunday. It was manageable for Sunday, but that is going to change into the coming days as we see more moisture pushing in, and it's going to bring stronger winds and some pretty heavy snow. So rain totals for Sunday, pretty minimal, hundredths, tenths at best, but we're going to see more moisture kicking in the next couple of days. So as we take a wider look at what we're expecting with this winter storm, as of Sunday night, yeah, there it is. It's starting to kick some moisture in, but watch through the next couple of days as I progress this. We're going to see really Monday. It doesn't catch a break. Into Tuesday, doesn't catch a break. So this is going to just pump moisture in up from the northwest, and so that's going to keep some moisture, rain, and mountain snow in the forecast for the next couple of days. We're really not going to catch a break, and so that is causing a lot of this concern, is just how much we're going to see over such a long period of time. So as of Sunday night, yeah, there it is. It's some low-level rain, but some of that mountain snow starting to kick in, favoring the north. Into Monday morning, that morning commute, spotty light rain for the lowlands. It shouldn't be too bad in the morning hours, but we're continuing to pile on that mountain snow. Same thing into Monday afternoon, actually drying out a little bit. The lowlands around Puget Sound could stay fairly mild, get a little bit of a break into Monday afternoon, but we're still going to pile on that mountain snow. Then as we head into Tuesday morning, it's going to be much of the same, spotty showers for the lowlands. That mountain snow continues. But check this out, as we head into Tuesday night, we're going to be drying out, but that lingering moisture could turn to more of a snow event for the lowlands, because at this point, that's when that freezing level is dropping down to about sea level, which I'll show you in just a moment. But the snow is going to stay isolated to the passes for the next couple of days. It's not until Tuesday night that it starts to creep down that freezing level, but at that point is when we're drying out. So let's talk some snow totals for the passes. As of Sunday night into early Monday morning, a couple of inches are possible. Not too bad. If you have to do any pass travel, get it done sooner rather than later, because once we head into Monday night and into Tuesday, those snow levels really drop down. So Monday evening, we're piling on the snow, and that is really just the beginning. We're going to continue to do that into Tuesday as well. And look at where the trends are. We're going to favor the north, so Baker seeing those highest snow totals, and then Stevens and Snoqualmie just behind. So for pass travel tonight, Sunday night, snow level staying around 4,500 feet. So it's kind of a rain-snow mix, and that's what we saw today. Our reporter Cornelius Hawker was up there in the mountains at Snoqualmie, and that's what they were seeing over there. Is it tried to snow, but it was a little bit on the wetter side, so it was more of a rain-snow mix. But into tonight, a couple inches are possible. Then Monday, we're going to start to see those snow levels dropping down to about 4,000 feet. As Monday progresses, it's going to drop down even more. Come Tuesday, we're down to about 1,000 feet. And that's when we're going to tack on a few more inches. So when all is said and done, we could see anywhere from 1 to 3 feet of snow for the Cascades. Above 2,000 feet, it's looking like 1, maybe 1.5 feet, and then above about 3,500 feet, the possibility for up to 2 to 3 feet of snow. So we do have this winter storm warning in place. Everywhere in purple is under this winter storm warning in place right now, and this continues until 4 p.m. Tuesday. So all the way through Monday, through most of the day Tuesday. There we go. It's that long stretch of that snow falling. and gusty winds in those areas as well. We also have a new warning that was just issued, an avalanche warning. This is in place right now, and it continues until 6 p.m. Monday. So everywhere in that blue area. So really all the Cascades, including Stevens Pass, Snoqualmie, Mount Loop Highway, because of all of that snow that we're going to see piled on so quickly, we do have the potential for some avalanches. And so this alone could create the issue of passes closing. So that's something we're definitely going to keep an eye on, is this snow impacting drivers, and then also the potential for avalanches to shut down roadways. High wind watches also in place everywhere in that kind of orange-brown color. So around North Sound, this is through Monday evening into Tuesday morning. Gusts up to 60 miles per hour are possible during that time frame. So really strong winds. We're already starting to feel it as of Sunday evening, but then as we progress into Monday evening, really going to kick in as well. Yeah, you can see widespread strong winds, so get ready for a blustery Monday evening. Places like Everett up to the north, you're going to catch a little bit more moisture. So for Monday, rain is possible really throughout the day. But look at those temperatures. We're starting the day in the mid 40s and we're ending the day in the mid 40s. We're not going to see too much temperature fluctuation from our lows to our daytime highs. And it's a similar situation in Seattle, although not quite as wet as Everett. Mid 40s through most of the day, really just a couple degrees difference between our early morning lows and our daytime highs. Tacoma, same thing, hanging out in the mid to upper 40s through most of the day, not too much fluctuation with our temperatures. And these temperatures are going to be warm, relatively speaking, compared to what's coming for the end of the week. So yeah, daytime highs for Monday going to be in the mid to upper 40s. It should be on the warmer side compared to what's to come, because look at that. As that storm clears, as it dries up, I showed you that earlier, that's when temperatures really take a tumble. So we're going to start in the mid to upper 40s Monday and Tuesday for those daytime highs. Come Wednesday, we start to cool down, and that's when we have that potential for some low-level snow, sea level, that freezing level around sea level starting Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And you can see why that overnight low Wednesday morning that we'll wake up to is right at that freezing mark for the lowlands. Then Thursday into Friday, those overnight lows dropping into the 20s. We will see teens on the map as well for Western Washington. Daytime highs barely escaping the freezing mark on Thursday. It is going to be cold. We'll see the sun come out. It'll be clear, but it will be cold. Come Friday, a little bit of disagreement on exactly when the timing of the next storm arrives, but it does look like it could arrive as early as Friday evening. So we'll start the day on a clear note. By the end of the day, we could introduce the potential for some flurries because, yeah, those cold temperatures are still hanging out. By the weekend, though, we do warm up ever so slightly, so that turns to more of a rain-snow mix. But the big story, what we're focusing on right now, is that incredible mountain snow that's going to pile on in these next couple of days. And once that snow clears, once that moisture clears out, dries up, cold temperatures remain, and so it is going to be potentially dangerously cold these next couple of days for us. Okay, so there's a deeper look at your First Alert forecast. Stay with the First Alert weather team these next couple of days as we bring you the very latest.